Gold, diamonds, oil. These have long been symbols of wealth and power. But what if we told you there's a substance worth more than all of them combined? A material so rare, so powerful, and so dangerous that just 1 gram of it could power an entire country. Welcome to the world of antimatter, the most valuable substance in the universe. What is antimatter? Antimatter is not science fiction. It's real. Every particle of matter, like an electron or proton, has an opposite, an antimatter twin. For an electron, it's a positron. For a proton, it's an antiproton. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other. The result? Pure energy, a process 100 times more efficient than nuclear fusion. How do we create antimatter? Antimatter doesn't naturally exist in usable amounts. It must be created artificially using high-energy particle accelerators like the ones at CERN in Switzerland. Scientists fire protons at nearly light speed into targets, and in rare cases, antimatter particles are created for a fraction of a second. And here's the challenge: storing it. Antimatter touches matter, even air, and explodes. So it must be held in magnetic traps in a vacuum at extreme precision. The price of a gram. In theory, just 1 gram of antimatter would cost over $62 trillion to produce. That's more than the GDP of most countries. Why so expensive? The process is slow, energy-hungry, and only produces nanograms at a time. It would take billions of years of current tech to make a full gram. What can we do with it? Why bother with such an impossible material? Because antimatter is the most energy-dense fuel known to science. NASA and other agencies have proposed antimatter engines that could cut interstellar travel from thousands of years to decades. It could also be used in advanced medical treatments, like precise tumor destruction in PET scans, or as weapons far beyond nuclear bombs. The dangers. With power comes risk. If weaponized, antimatter could become the most destructive force humanity has ever created. Just 1 gram of antimatter reacting with matter releases the energy of 40 kilotons of TNT, almost 3 times the Hiroshima bomb. For now, antimatter remains a scientific curiosity. Too expensive, too unstable, too hard to scale. But in a future where AI, quantum computing, and advanced physics evolve together, antimatter may become the battery of starships, the medicine of tomorrow, or a tool of unimaginable destruction. The most valuable substance in the universe isn't just about price. It's about potential, power, possibility, and the question that follows: can we control it before it controls us?